Hi everyone, welcome to my second room tour video of my room in Packard Wing at Bruce Hall in ANU. So I'll be moving out soon at the end of the year, so I just want to do another room tour video just to see how much my room has changed over the past 2 years. And if anyone is considering coming to live at Packard, I hope you find this video very useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, we have arrived at my room. It's got a Chinese New Year poster at the front, and we get in using a key card. So here's my room. Just let the door close behind me. Here is a calligraphy writing by my grandpa. And then just turning around, got some bags hanging at the door handle. And to my right is a kitchen area, which is quite spacious. It's got a sink, a fridge, an oven with some stove tops. Underneath the sink, I just keep some plastic bags. Things that don't come with this room are the pots and pans that I have here, the dish rack, the rice cooker, and the kettle. And then up here we have some cabinets where I keep my cups, my mugs, and some medicine, and so on. So just turning around to the other side, we have the bathroom area. So one of the best things about Packard is that each resident gets their own bathroom. So we have a shower here, and you also have a toilet. And then on the side here, I just have some dirty laundry in a bucket. And now let's move on to the general living area. So here we have a microwave that's included in the room. On top of the microwave, I just have some snacks. So this is my snacks bar. I go here whenever I need some comfort food when I'm studying. Now below the microwave, there is this panel that slides out. So I usually use this when I want to unload my shopping or when I'm chopping food. So that's a nice thing to have in my room. And then below that, there's another cabinet where I store other stuff such as parcel, the oil, and that big bag of rice that you can see. Now, enough about the electrical appliances. Let me turn around and show you the rest of my room. So here we have my shoe rack, which is overflowing with shoes at the moment. I also just want to point out that we are moving into the carpet area of the room, and during winter, the floor actually heats up, and this room becomes very warm and cozy for me. So right here on top of the shoe rack, we have a digital photo frame where I store some of my more memorable photos during my time here at ANU. And then on the ground, we can see a skipping rope and 2 dumbbells that I use to just do some light exercise in my room. And then here we have a table that is full of Lego. So usually this table is meant for you to have your lunch or dinner after you're done cooking, but I usually just have mine at my study desk. So this table is used to store my Lego instead. Usually this is the point where people get really shocked when they come into my room. But enough with the Lego table. Behind that, there is a shelf that is full of some books and some board games and video games and even more Lego that are standing on top of the board games. So sometimes I will get my friends to come to my room, or we can go outside to the common room and we can play board games together. On the wall, there are some hats and a beanie hanging there. And then here, I got my backpack, my shopping trolley, my umbrella, and they're all sitting inside some storage cases. So when I eventually move out, I will have to start packing all the stuff in my room soon. Here is my bed. So this is where I rest after a hard day's work. Let's pan the camera up and show you the posters that are stuck all over my room. So I like Marvel movies, I also like Lego Ninjago, so I got the idea to print off the posters to make my room look nicer. On the bedside drawer, here's a Lego set of Inside Out 2 and some wooden tulips from Canberra's national event called Floriad. Now next to the bedside drawer, we have a whiteboard. So this is where I do my math homework or write down ideas for my thesis. But then behind that, I have this thing called the Lego Mountain. And it is just filled with Lego sets that I haven't opened or built yet. This mountain is taller than me and I will probably have a hard time trying to figure out how to move it. I have a bike helmet here that is coupled to the front of my wardrobe. So my wardrobe has an insane amount of clothes, which just shows you how good Packard treats its residents in terms of storage. So we come to the last main attraction that is inside my room, which is my study desk. Now, I really like to study inside my room because of how much equipment I have here. So just looking at my study desk, we have some folders, we got calculators, drink bottle, headphones, stationery, a recently printed thesis. I got my laptop, iPad, I have a Nintendo Switch, a TV with Netflix on it. I have some maths books on the side that I can read. Here I have a storage area for spare Lego pieces as well as my whiteboard markers on top. And then we have this very nice and spacious bookshelf for me to put all my books. So I'm a maths and law student. So on the right side of the shelf, I have my math textbooks. On the left, I have my law textbooks. And I have decorated the shelf a lot with Lego and other sorts of decorations. I also have a pin board at the front there with some posters and got more posters up there on the wall. And now it's time to show you the outside of my room. So I'm one of the few residents lucky enough to get a room that has a balcony. And having a balcony means I can hang my clothes outside to dry and I get to enjoy this nice view of the trees, the blue sky, and down there you can see the Bruce Hall car park. Some of my neighboring rooms are within sight. And I actually share this balcony with my next door neighbor, who is a great guy. Here is the view of the inside from the outside. And now let's close the door. So that concludes my room tour video for 2024. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. If you're an incoming student coming to ANU who wants to live at Bruce Hall or Packard, feel free to comment down in the comments below and I will make sure to answer all of your questions. And to the Bruce Hall people, thank you for letting me stay here for 6 years. I've made lots and lots of amazing memories here and I'll be forever thankful for that. Bruce Hall, best Hall. See you next time.